JK Engineering, a full-service precision manufacturer, home of production manufacturing, machining services, assembly services, fabrication, and flight critical assembly. We specialize in 3, 4, and 5-axis high-speed machining, CNC milling, EDM 8-axis wire, sinker, hole popping, and dual spindle production turning. We are AS 9100, ISO, and ITAR certified and proud to serve the defense, aeronautical, semiconductor, energy, space, and commercial industries, working with tight tolerances down to 1/10. Our core products are produced from stainless steel, aluminum, titanium, and many others. We also work with harder metals like Inconel and Monel. JK Engineering also specializes in assembly and sub-assembly services to meet the offload needs of our customers. Other services we provide range from metal finishes, laser marking, metal stamping, prototype engineering and reverse engineering, tooling design, mold making, and other engineering support. At JK Engineering, we hold quality to the highest of standards, providing full CMM, 3D scanning, and roamer arm inspection. Our temperature-controlled inspection lab, state-of-the-art equipment, and our specially designed calibration tracking system all ensure that we're working to give you the best quality parts. As soon as a job comes through our doors, it's processed through our custom-designed ERP system to instantly start the planning process while simultaneously allowing us to set up the tooling before the part ever sees the machine. We take pride in our efficiency and teamwork. Lean management is implemented throughout our company, and we're always improving our ability to process complex parts and expand quality, not just to inspection, but our entire company. JK Engineering is equipped to provide capacities and quality of service you might expect only from larger machine shops. Our customers place orders knowing their parts will ship on time and will exceed their expectations. At JK Engineering, our mission is to provide top-quality product at competitive prices. We believe in craftsmanship and take great pride in the products we produce. Contact us to learn more about how JK Engineering can support your needs today.